Demolition is underway in downtown Chatham to make room for the Condo hotel retail development by Victor Boutin. Crews are tearing down 2 existing buildings between Coffee Culture and Ruffleson's Jewelers to make room for the $42 million project. The site plan includes 64 condos, 23 hotel rooms, and main-level retail space. The project is expected to create 200 construction jobs, followed by 70 direct positions and 90 spin-offs. King Street will be closed most of Friday morning between 5th and William Streets to make room for the continuing demolition. Richie, Blackburn News.